Today, I'm here to talk about human-centered urban informatics because urbanization is a defining phenomenon affecting every person and every location. My research focuses on developing effective urban informatics methods in spatial social network, human mobility and flow, as well as video, image, and text as data, especially applied to the domains of hazards, transportation, public health, and urban sustainability. Human is a central element connecting knowledge in this dramatic urban transition. Human dynamics focuses on the understanding of dynamic patterns, relationships, narratives, change, and transitions of human activities, behaviors, and communications. We developed an online platform to analyze the dynamic changes of spatial social network, such as disaster warning and public health alerts, using computational predictive methods and agent-based modeling. I also co-developed open source visualization tools for different users to examine the mobility data of humans and vehicles. It's noted that big data are mainly from rich or well-developed communities, while low-income ones are suffering from data availability and data quality. Citizens and volunteers can utilize the joint aspects of human mobility and contextual insight contained within GPS-enabled devices to investigate urban issues posed by professionals, community leaders, and residents for the data-poor neighborhoods. Video recorded along spatial trajectories combined with narratives of locations are transformative field methods for many data challenging environments. These geospatial multimedia data include abundant and heterogeneous spatial, temporal, and semantic information. It demands well-designed interactive analysis techniques and tools. A video analysis scheme built upon semantic data points can be used to integrate these data types in the spatial context, which enables data management in a unified database with combined spatial, temporal, and text search indexing. Users can drag slides to move video content backward, forward for related context. When users find one important location, they may want to study related information in nearby environment, which may exist in other trips. We developed a trip leading tool to facilitate this job by interactively searching relevant trips. Kevin Carey, the book author of The Inevitable, outlines 12 trends that will forever change how we work, learn, and communicate. It makes us think what the future city will look like because human beings increasingly, intensively interact with technology. It's a grand challenge and opportunity for urban planning scholars to invent human-centered future cities. Human-centered urban informatics revolutionized the study of people creating, applying, and using information and communication technology and data in this context. To address the issue, we need to develop more intelligent spatial decision-making systems which integrate natural language processing, voice technology, and space-time analytics towards artificial intelligence-enabled geodesign. Such systems can be used to educate the public and also inform decision makers about the many layers of knowledge on built environment. It can connect and search information from diverse types and a large volume of documents and data sources to suggest the answer to a given question in the built environment.